So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to this screen. There are two ways to get into that screen I'm going to show you right now. For the first way, if you can sign into Windows like me, I'm on Windows right now. You want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on restart now, and then click on restart now again. It will then take you into that screen. And now for the second way, this is if you cannot sign into Windows. If you cannot, then you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. When you see the Windows loading screen, you want to turn off your computer again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it will take you into this screen. So again, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. When you see the Windows loading screen, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, which will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options, which will now take us to here. Now you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. If you do not see Command Prompt, you want to click on See More Recovery Options, and then click on Command Prompt. So now we're going to press on it. And now once we're on here, we're going to type in bootrec /scan OS. Click on Enter. Wait for this to load. And then we're going to type in bootrec /fix MBR. Click on Enter again. Now we're going to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. For me, it says access is denied because I don't have this problem, but in your case, it should be working. If it also says access is denied for you, it's fine, just leave it. And now for the last command, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on Enter. Then you want to run the scan. You want to wait for the scan to be completed, and then once it's been completed, you just want to close this out, and then click on Continue, and go back to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.